Sabrina, can you imagine living on this amazing street?
You don't have to imagine, this can be yours. You're close to Henderson Highway, close to shops, and of course, 5-minute drives to Sal's. You can get a cheese nip, you know.
That's amazing. Let's go let our imaginations run wild inside this house.
Oh my gosh, Nicole, look at all these possibilities in here. You can sit on this great couch, enjoy the view outside.
I can just imagine how wonderful it's going to be with friends watching TV, but I don't need to imagine this beautiful ceiling.
Nicole, can you just picture the great family dinners in this amazing dining room space?
Oh, I can picture a beautiful round table here where we're going to have amazing meals, and it's going to be so wonderful with all that light.
Hey Nicole, can you imagine cooking in this amazing kitchen, all the sunlight coming in from the south?
Oh yeah, I sure can. But you know what else I can envision? Is looking out those back doors at kids or dogs that are out there playing while I'm able to cook.
And this room is where I imagine all of my own space.
And here's where I imagine adding another bathroom.
Oh, can you imagine just having beautiful cuddles in this primary bedroom? Well, kind of, but I think I'd kind of like my own space too.
Can you imagine using this space as an amazing home gym?
Yup, and all the kids rolling all around. Hey Nicole, are you making s'mores?
I sure am. Can you just imagine making delicious, stringy s'mores right around this fire pit?
Absolutely.
And guess what? You too can imagine your life in this home. Book a showing, come on down. This place is amazing.